I have a very short but powerful video for you today. I'm going to explain exactly why you feel stuck in the areas of your life where you do actually feel stuck. You might be one of those guys that you excel in all areas of life except your dating life, or except your business, or except whatever area you're really trying to improve, and you can't seem to make progress. A lot of people, it's fitness. In any of these areas, a big problem for you is that you're trying to find the right solution, and the right solution will never come. Okay, you're trying to think about the right solution. You're trying to overanalyze what is the best solution to my problem, because clearly this is a hard problem, so I have to have a good solution for it, when that's just not true. When you look at anyone that achieves anything in life, they just act without thinking. They don't think too much. They have a strategy, they trust it, they know it works, and then they act on it. And then they take that feedback from whatever failures come up and they implement that feedback, and then they succeed. That's all success is. That's all winning is. And so if you are stuck in your dating life, then it's probably because you keep looking for reasons and ways to talk to women that will make you more attractive. When at the end of the day, what you need to start doing is acting without thinking. And so what do I mean by that? Well, I mean, get to the point where you can go up and talk to anyone without thinking, without hesitation, without needing something in your head to say. Get to the point where you can go to the gym without thinking, without hesitating, without looking for a reason why you need to go. Make the decision now that everyone you talk to, everyone you see, is someone you're going to talk to. Make the decision that every time you wake up on a workout day, you're going to go to the gym. Every day you wake up in the morning, you're going to do your morning routine, or you're going to work on your business before you go to work. Make that decision now. So that way you don't have to sit around and think about the best way to go about doing something. Because here's the thing, life is just composed of a series of opportunities, and all the time in between those opportunities are chances for you to prepare for those opportunities. You've had millions of opportunities come up in your life where you could have completely turned your life around, but you simply were not ready to take them because you were thinking too much. You thought too much and you refused to take the risk. And so if you can prepare yourself by taking small risks in between those opportunities, and preparing yourself by going out and talking to people, getting good at connecting with people, getting to the point where you can take action without thinking, you're going to be able to take advantage of those opportunities when they come up. That's all successful people do. Successful people, they put in the hard work, but then they're ready for those opportunities. Successful people have to get lucky. I have to get lucky, technically, to get a date with a girl, but I'm ready when that girl crosses my path to go up and talk to her and get a date. Or I'm ready when a business opportunity comes up to invest in that and go in and work on it. I have the skills. And so when that happens, when opportunities come up, I'm prepared because I don't overthink. And every time I have overthought, I didn't take advantage of those opportunities, and I'm further behind because of it. And this is something that you guys have to do too. One of the most important things you can possibly do is to stop thinking and start doing. And I'm going to come out with more videos in the future on how specifically to do this. I have like a whole list of notes on actually how I do these things and exercises that I do to overcome this overthinking problem. But I just wanted to let you guys know today that if you're thinking about what the best opportunity, if you're thinking about the best strategy to get a desired result, then chances are you're wasting time and you should just be acting. You should just be going out and making the actions necessary to achieve that result and failing and getting feedback. Because at the end of the day, you can't just go out there and get whatever you want. But you can go out there and prepare for every opportunity that will come up in the future. Because life's always going to throw curveballs at you. Life will always give you challenges. And the more prepared you are for those challenges, the better your life will be. And that's just how it goes. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, comment below, let me know what you want to see from me in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one.